Back, Block 19X. Simple pull down procedure.
Yeah, well, you should. You want to make sure it's clear. Yeah.
About time.
Got new glasses, guys. You like?
Excuse me. Boy. This mug is on site. How can you miss?
She doesn't do the handguns, but she'll do the rifles. You know? It's like a 40.
Let's see which one hitting harder for real. So first we going regular.
Regular.
I don't even think that's the ammo for that.
Well, it don't matter.
Let it down.
It's like Mag was in
Which one?
What was the question again? They hit the same.
They hit the same?
Yeah, they sounded the exact same.
It's more flatter though. I'm gonna do mix.
just about. Yeah.
This one. Then one of these.
I'll do that. You want that?
Then one of these.
Thomas ain't
We got
here,
4 in there,
but
2 of each. Mix match. Let's see.
I'm sure somebody they did it up on an outdoor. Where'd it finish the ammo? You know, they're probably that. Yeah. Turn us in for that one.
I can't tell.
Is it leave it red on it though?
I think so though. I seen that too.
I didn't say either. You can, but you really can't. Good on.
Yeah, this stuff is expensive. The regular bullet.
EDC bag.
Feel the weight. It's night and day. But that bullet knocks you down. It's like 357 max. Yeah, and it's 2,200 square feet. I put it on the chronograph. 22 feet per second. Yeah.
It's gonna be fast. You said they're titanium?
Yeah. The titanium bullet.
19.
I bought that probably 5 years ago, and I don't use it for target. I just know when I'm out in the street.
I would shoot about 3, make sure
That's all I do.
hit what I aim at.
And that's it.
I shoot, that's the way I shoot. I did the loading. If I gotta pick all those out.
Alright. EDC bag. Slow mo.
Oh. I hadn't seen that one.
Did that just echo?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that probably was them.
Oh, yours did.
They are loading some stuff nowadays. Trying to bring the cost down, I guess.
Glock 43. I said Glock 43. Glock 19X, you know what I'm saying? Fits in the bag perfectly. Little EDC bag, functional. Glock 43X. Also fits in the bag perfectly. That more loud, man. We're gonna get one more out the 19 though. I don't see where I'm missing to though.
It could be the wind. You heard me? Like on with us.
Glock 43X in the bag. Zip up. Let's try it again. Definitely can't aim with that sight.
I'm telling you, you can't.
But yeah,
You can't. I just wanted to shoot it.
yeah, we gotta look at some more though. That Glock 19X. Simple pull down procedure.
Yeah, well, you should. You gotta make sure it's clear.
Yeah.
About time. Good job. Not doing being with it. Okay, so we go Glock 19X in the bag. These are just slow-mo drills. I can't do nothing really fast out here, so I'm just showing y'all. A little slow. And how am I still missing, bro? I keep missing my shot, bro. I gotta hit this one.
Oh, that was hers, right? You sure that wasn't yours?
I gotta hit this one.
Right on it.
I hit right over it. Let me try full tray. That one time.
Gotta take it.
Take the side off? Take the side off? Yeah.
That's what I meant when I said on the 9, yo. I meant the 14.
I was caught. I actually think I can hit with this.
Huh?
I feel like I can hit with this. I just gotta really look
It
down.
was like barely above it.
The dot just be looking weird.
It does. And then once you shoot it, it always.
You finna see though.
I'm at the shooting range. I can't talk.
If I caught a little bit again with this extension. See, I'm right there. I'm right there on the dot with this one. Try back out the Glock.
That white box in front of you, that square box.
Take these out.
Your left.
Leave them up left.
I think I should go too.
I'm not even using that type.
I just missed the first one every time.
That's why I said do 2 or 3.
Front side.
I just like
White square. White square.
I missed that one.
White square. You shoot at the blue. The square. Oh, the white. Hit it in the foot. Your bullet is hitting the ground and it's on that blue square.
I gotta go 5 for 5 real quick with this. Cause ain't no way I'm missing with the red dot on there.
I'm going right past the food. I can hit those.
Just shoot right. Everything you shoot is left.
it got in the puddle.
No, the white square.
I want to see if I can hit one of them red ones.
To the left of that orange square back there.
The dot was on me. I had the dot right there. Really got to sight it on some paper.
For them big ones.
Okay, I'm gonna check. Yep. Let's move your aim over. Just rotate your shoulders here. There you go. Now you're on target. You're aiming away from your target. Aim. See, there's your target. Back on the orange target.
Yep. Okay. Damn, I missed. Still missed. I hit it.
Get the red one in there. I'm just about to see for real.
That's weird.
I don't even see what I'm hitting.
That was way above.
It must gotta be high. Gotta be high. You heard that?
Yeah, well.
That's what I'm saying. You heard that?
Yeah. What the fuck? I don't know what you're hitting either.
It's right on the purple.
Yeah, you're under it. If you're aiming for that red.
Alright, I'm gonna try and shoot high.
What are you aiming for?
I was right under the red in the middle.
Yeah.
I was like right here, right under the dot, and it wouldn't hit nothing.
Literally so crazy.
That must said, nigga, that must said, hey. Alright, so I'm gonna aim high this time.
Aim high. Miss. Aim low.
Don't shoot. Put it down.
There you go.
Alright.
Oh, I see exactly where it said. It's on to the left.
That's what I said. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Come right here. Just like somebody in front of you.
Oh, this mother coming out. That's why.
Is it coming out? Is that not supposed to come out?
Nah, it's supposed to stay scrapped down.
So,
That's the sight. I mean, that's like how you aim it with the right and left.
Alright.
I'm finna see though.
did you put something in something?
Huh?
Really? Oh, wait, you're using those.
Yeah, you can put that in there too.
Left, a little left.
Alright, so now I know it's left. I'm finna try to shoot.
did good. Hold on. I'll give you one more. You done?
Huh?
Go to the left.
You done?
Go to the left.
Am I hitting the bottom?
It looked like you're hitting the red. I don't know.
I think it's just to the left. What on here?
The
I
red?
think you're hitting the purple, just missing the red, barely missing the center.
So to the left?
Yeah, I think it's a little bit.
Yeah, this more way over to the left. I'm not even on the target.
Damn.
Dang. It's getting there.
I can't tell where it's hitting, but I think if you hit the red, it's gonna flip.
I'm gonna have to shoot at some paper to sight that on.
Come out here, and everything's clean and fresh.
Yeah.
If you're using a whole red tip, you could try to hit that bottom purple one.
What bottom purple? Right here?
The big body one with the hanging purple one. It's not, it don't got a lot of shit on it.
Talking about to the right here?
Yeah. But aim at the left side, the one on the left.
Hold on, let me shoot this back one real quick.
Lean into it. No. You need to get your weight here. Yeah, there you go. Get your weight.
I hit purple in the back.
You're aiming high already. I can see you aiming high. Your last magazine.
You're high and to the right.
Sit right, sit down to the left.
Dead center. That's your
Yeah. Left corner.
You're way. Come on. Good now.
So that means it need to go up and right.
Way high. This is good. He's killing it.
Okay.
Okay, I see where it's hitting though now.
Are you? Oh, you hit a dead center. That's your target. Now you want to hit it and knock it back.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you hit.
Yeah, don't worry about the ones that are forward.
I'm gonna try.
Yeah, I see where it.
See how far on target or off target.
Yeah, I just gotta sight it in on some paper for real.
Yeah, it's just off to the. It's kind of off to the left, though. I mean, off. Yeah. Something like that.
Yeah, I just gotta try and tighten it and see. Gotta go get these wet.
Turkey legs?
Yes, sir.
Once it's all in the file,
We finna go get.
he may want to say
Is
right.
it recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, we should just order a bunch.
Yeah. Oh no, he found it. Oh, okay. I was gonna say. Fresh leg.
Anybody got anything to clear a barrel?
Sight. Oh,
No, I'm saying I thought you were talking about take that one.
no, I was thinking.
My microphone's still. Yeah, my microphone's still up. I had to make sure. See me leaving, big camera bag. What time they close? Folks still pulling up. You walking me off? I walking.
I walked crooked.
Yeah, right.
You didn't know that?
What's wrong with her? But now we finna go pick up some turkey legs. We just rolled by seeing niggas around with some turkey legs. So now,
And maybe get some eggs.
said who?
Eggs.
Oh yeah, them eggs too. No pepperoni. They do got some fresh eggs out here. Might as well go ahead and cut some of these. But nah, though, man. If y'all want this bad, man, let me know, bro. Cause I'm thinking about, I just hit 100 subs, so I might as well give y'all something. That's why I was doing the little bag, showing y'all the bag a little bit today, man. I'm gonna drop a short and I'm gonna let y'all know the instructions on, you know what I'm saying, winning this personalized bag. I'm gonna leave it just how it is. I'm gonna leave a I'm gonna make a video though, a short. It's gonna be a short, so be ready for that. Telling y'all how y'all can enter in that or whatever. It's up to y'all. If y'all don't want no bag, hey man, that ain't got nothing to do with me. But if y'all want a free bag, hey bro, niggas like me, I don't knock nothing free, you know what I'm saying? Pause, but don't knock nothing free, you know what I'm saying? If it's a free bag, you got a fire and you don't want to rock no holster all day, you know what I'm saying? I still got my headphones on.
Wait, can I?
Am I loud?
No, but can I join the giveaway?
No sir. You can't join the giveaway, fam, cause you don't even want a bag.
I want the bag.
Cause you don't even be wanting a bag. The bag be sitting at the house. You don't be using it. Like, you never use this bag. But nah, this is the bag. You know what I'm saying?
Cause it's yours.
But y'all gotta turn on the notification. Cause when y'all gonna see the short before this. But y'all gonna see that short. Do what I say on the short, man. And you gonna be in there, bro. You gonna be in there. Get you a chance to win a free bag, like I just said. But y'all boy lock in, man. We finna go get these chicken wings.
Chicken leg, turkey legs.
Turkey wing legs.
Turkey legs.
Okay. Let me get the jumbo turkey leg with the mac and cheese and collard greens.
No collard greens. I forgot potato salad, fried green tomatoes, coleslaw.
Well, just do the mac and cheese.
Okay. Turkey leg and mac and cheese. That's gonna do it.
Yeah, that's it. Out here getting turkey wings, my boy. One turkey wing, that motherfucker was $20.
No, one.
That motherfucker was 20.
I was assuming $20 for one turkey leg. I'm assuming for $20 we finna get at least enough for me and you. Shit.
For real though.
If it's not, I'm being mad. They gonna hear it from my lawyer.
Turkey leg with the macaroni and cheese. The drinks. What do I want to drink? We got a blueberry lemonade.
That's it.
Smell like dick in here.
Gay.
Like camel dick.
Camel foreskin.
I'ma just grab me a fruit punch. You gonna get one? I hate drinks they be having this shit at the bottom, bro. This shit be blowing me. This shit be blowing me, bro. Rich though. Ooh, the Arizonas. I fuck with the Arizonas.
You like Arizona?
Yeah. I used to get these in school, the watermelon, the grape, the fruit punch. What a grape. No, ain't no grape. The grape, I think the grape is, I think this was the grape. I'm tripping. The fruit punch is tough though.
I've never had this shit before. I've literally never tried Arizona.
I'm gonna get this one in the watermelon. Call it a day.
A few moments later.
We up in the park, about to get it big crunk. Bro in the back and he rollin' the skunk. Let go to the dash, all the gas in the trunk. Dope in my cup and I'm fading on drunk. Get with the bros and you know that I'm loaded. I got to go, we on post, we blowin'. He say we got money, look at how he know. Stay rollin' the green, cause we keep it going. Every Glock got a beam, you know how it go. I shoot with the team, we don't do no